Okay everyone, this is going to be a video to show you how to get into my Canvas page, and then when you're in my Canvas page, how you get to the assignments. So you start out in Rapid Identity, and if you look at Rapid Identity, you have your hub here, Infinite Campus there, Canvas here, and Moodle here. I'm going to hit on the Canvas page, and that should bring me to my your dashboard. Then you're going to look for your math class, and I'm going to go into my Algebra 2 math class just to start off with. So you go to your math class like this, and what your view is going to look like is this right here. You'll have a banner up on top saying it's Algebra 8, Hour 2 Math, and then I have a little bit of a greeting for everybody, and then I'm going to have some help videos underneath that, and then below that I'm going to have some links here to get to your assignments. So from this page, you're going to see home, your grades, and your modules. If you go down to the very bottom and hit the review problems, these are the problems I want you working on right now. On the top of my review problems, I have 2 videos to show you how to do different types of problems, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 assignments that are due. Some of you have already done the first 3 assignments. That's awesome. Others haven't gotten on there yet and done those. So if you haven't been on here and worked on your assignments, this is what you need to do. The first assignment started kind of small. If I click on that first assignment, it's going to have about 10 problems, I think, for the first assignment. Okay? So if you look at it, the first type of problem that you have, I think you're going to have 4 of these. You have to find the equation of a line and put it in y equals mx plus b. Now the y is already given here, so you just have to write the mx plus b portion of this problem. If you look at it, my y-intercept is -3. So what I would do for this problem, I would go mx minus 3. The cool thing is that spaces do not matter in this problem. Now I've got to find my slope. I find another lattice point, and right there where my cursor is another lattice point. And I'm going to use the y-intercept as my second lattice point. I'm going to go down 1 and over 4. So my m is really going to be -1/4 because I'm going down instead of up. So I'm going to put a negative sign. I'm going to hit the fraction part of it there, and it's -1/4. I'll save it. I submit the problem. And if it turns green, you did it correctly. If it's not green, you made a mistake. A lot of times people are forgetting the x, or they have the wrong sign on the slope. So those are kind of the things that you need to look for. Then after you get done with that one, you're going to go to a next problem. Now the other type of problem on this assignment, you're going to have an equation and you're going to have to graph it. The way I would do those problems is find the y-intercept. My y-intercept in this problem is -4. So I'm going to put a dot on the y-axis at -4. So there's that dot. My slope is 1/2, and it's positive. That means I start at my y-intercept, and I'm going to go up 1 since it's positive, and over 2. And I'm going to put a second dot right there. And then I go down here and I submit it, and I got that one correct also. The whole first assignment is either problems like either of these 2. Okay? So when you're all done with it, you're going to go to the next assignment. You go back to your home or go back to your modules, and you can find the next assignment to work on. If you have any questions, I am able to help you now one-on-one. So email me, and I can set up a Google Meet for you guys, or I can also go on Explain Everything, and I can help you that way as well. Anyways, I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please ask. I want to get you guys caught up. If I need to change the dates a little bit to help do that for you guys, I will. If I need to make everything due on next Monday, I can do that, these first 3 assignments. But I need you getting these assignments done. This is the assignment that I've had for today. If you have any questions, make sure you email me, and then we'll set up an appointment on Google Meet or Explain Everything. Thanks.